All right, good evening, guys. Quick little update on the 85 C10 since I just did a video on the Volkswagen. Most part of what you can see, the drop kit's already on. Did the 5.7 with the springs in the front. It's going to be a little hard to see some of the stuff here, but I can add some pictures and stuff in for you. As you can see, it's a little dirty. It's been sitting for a little bit. Haven't really been working too much on that between work and I was sick for a while, so that kind of set me back. Right now, just finishing up some parts on the frame. There's some things I have to do and repair to the rear. The rear had some damage to it, so some parts were cut out. I'm going to have to replace this here, this back frame section. I do have a parts truck to use outside, so we'll be able to cut that and use some pieces from it. And then we got to do some body work. We got to do some cab corners, and we got to do some work on the bed. Bed needs some love, like most of these do. You can see some of it's already been cut out. Have full sections here we're going to replace on that thing. And then as far as an update on the motor, I got a mess over here. The transmission, getting ready to tear the transmission apart. The motor is apart right now. So that's going to be one of the next projects, is to take the heads off and replace all the gaskets and everything so we can get that motor ready to go back in the truck. But again, it's not really much of an update here. Just show you guys I moved it over to the rack. I'm going to finish putting the POR on the frame. Now the frame's all cleaned off and the new suspension's on. Clean it all up, paint it, make it look nice, make sure it's nice and sealed. And then we'll begin body work, hopefully, if not when the weather breaks and springtime starts coming and I get the motor back. And I'd like to get the motor up and running before I start worrying about the body work on it right now. That way I have some time and I can move it around for other items I have in the shop and some other projects I'll have over the next couple months to finish for some people. But there you go, just a quick update on the truck. Like I said, the 5.7 drops on. It doesn't look bad at all. Of course, it's not settled with no weight in it, but it gives you kind of an idea where we're at. So, hope you like following along. Like I said, it wasn't going to be a very long video at all. I'll throw some pictures in that I took as put the front end together, so you can kind of see what transpired to where we're at now and what point we're at with the truck. And I'll try to get another updated video on that once we get the motor put back together, and maybe do a time lapse on the motor. Appreciate you guys. If you like the content here, check out the 65 bug restoration we're doing and some of the other videos I had from way back that I kind of threw together. Just kind of now getting back into YouTube stuff and throwing some content together. Appreciate you checking it out. Again, subscribe if you like it, and check out the Instagram page. It's down below, hot_rod_shop. Appreciate it. Have a good evening.